Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing of the all-new Jabra 65V, which were recently announced. And these are engineered for superior calls and music with professional grade ANC. So you've got active noise cancellation on board here. So we've got 3 microphone technology, active noise cancellation, up to 8 hours of battery life using ANC, which is pretty cool. On the side then we have the buds themselves, and then our tips and wings with 3 of each, so be a size for everybody in there. And on this side here we have superior sound for 145 years. On the back again, it's given us the same. We've customized your music, 2-year dust and water resistant warranty, which is pretty cool to have. We've up to 8 hours voice assistant enabled, and we have an app then for Google and Android. So the Elite 65V are Ip54 verified to withstand dust and water and splashing water. So that's pretty handy to have. So we'll just pop off the sleeve, and then we have the package like so. And we have a little pull tab here. And we're presented like so. So excellent presentation as always. I like this. It's always a good plus to have nicely presented goods. So we'll pop this card off, and then we're presented with the package like so. And we'll pop this out. And in here we get some information booklets. And we also get a carry case, which is excellent. And in here we have our tips and wings. And we have our micro USB cable here. So we're still on micro USB. Soon enough, hopefully we'll see USB-C from Jabra. And here is the unit itself. And it looks pretty nice indeed. And it's a nice kind of presentation there too. And we'll pop these out like so. Very well held in, so we don't want to be pulling them too hard. So onto the headset itself. On the band we have Jabra on the top there, and underneath it's just plastic with some information there. And also you can see there is the charging port here. So this is a nice kind of rubber feel to it, and it's soft all the way around. And we see nice gold bands here either side, or silver bands, sorry. And here we have our voice key here, and another key. And over this side is our controls for music, I gather. Just get that to focus a bit better. And you can see these keys are raised, so you'll be able to find them blindly. After a couple of minutes usage, you'll be able to navigate these simply enough. Here is another piece here, which looks like a mic, and nice metal grill on it there. And the buds themselves, which have a nice Jabra logo on them there on a metal strip. And they are magnetized, which is cool. So if you can imagine, they can just stick together when they're sitting around your neck like so, stop them dangling around. And the buds themselves are here, and the tips are here. So you can just change them by pulling this off like so, and then popping it back on like that, or whichever one you decide. And the same again for the gel wings here. You can see a slot there, so when you're putting them back on, you just align the slot. You pop it in here like that and align the slot like so, and the new one will pop on again just the same as that. So you have 3 different selections, so you should be fine. There should be something for everybody there. And that's really about it for now. That's what it looks like. Nice and flexible there, as you can see. So they're pretty cool so far to look, and let's check them out and see what they sound like. And during the review period, any questions, get me at techbuzzroyland.com, and we'll talk to you in the next one. And that's the Jabra 65E Elite, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.